Hello and welcome. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. I am Hina Gambhir. Viewers, phase 2 voting is currently underway across 142 constituencies in West Bengal. As polling began, reports of violence and vandalism emerged from several parts of the state in the early hours. Incidents have been reported from Nadia, Hooghly, South 24 Parganas, North 24 Parganas, West Bardhaman and many other areas as well. Poll-related violence, it seems, continues to cast a shadow over elections in the state. An all too familiar pattern seen time and again. Security has now been beefed up in sensitive zones with forces on high alert as voting continues through the day. Reports have now emerged from Nadia district in West Bengal of an alleged attack on a BJP polling agent at booth number 53 in the Chhapra Assembly constituency. According to BJP candidate Saikat Sarkar, the incident took place around 6 a.m. this morning when party agent Mosharraf Hossain was on his way to the booth. He was allegedly obstructed and then attacked, resulting in a head injury. BJP further alleged that the agent was assaulted with sticks and rods and has demanded strict action in the matter. Election Commission has taken note of the incident and has sought a detailed report. Now, viewers, reports have also emerged from Basanti in South 24 Parganas of an alleged attack on BJP candidate Bikash Sardar during a visit to booth number 76. He claims his vehicle was vandalized during the incident and there was also an alleged attempt to snatch a firearm from his security personnel. Bikash Sardar has alleged that TMC workers attacked his car with rods and bamboo sticks, leaving his driver injured. Speaking on the incident, he claimed that a large group targeted him, saying that around 200 to 250 TMC workers carried out this attack, damaging his vehicle and assaulting the driver. Listen in.
मुशर्रफ मीर है, इसको सुबह 5:30-6 बजे टीएमसी का जो यहाँ के कैंडिडेट है, वो कैंडिडेट का नाम है जेवेद शेख और वो क्रिमिनल का हेड है। वो इलेक्शन कमीशन उसको दागी भी अनाउंस किया है। उसका क्रिमिनल वाले जो है वही के काम किया है।
গতকাল রাত থেকে আমাদের হাটরা গ্রামে ওরা প্রচুর ধমকি যে ভোটের পর ডেকে নেবো, মেরে দেবো, হ্যাঁ ভোট দিতে হয় তৃণমূলকে, হ্যাঁ এই সারা রাত করে বেরিয়েছে। সকালে আমি বিজেপির এজেন্ট, আমি বুথে এজেন্ট দিয়ে যাচ্ছিলাম এবং আইএসএফ এর 5-4 জন ছিল এজেন্ট, আমাদের প্রচুর অ্যাটাক করে, মারধর করে।
क्या आप ट्रांसलेट कर सकते हैं ये क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं?
सुबह 5:40 to 6 तो 6 बजे 5:40 6 बजे वो जा रहा था ये के लिए आपका क्या बूथ एजेंट के लिए। तो बूथ में उसके समय वो आप उसको नहीं, आईएसएफ का भी एजेंट भी था, उसको भी पीटा और इसको बंदूक से पीछे से रॉड से उसको मातो 6 सिलाई उसको माथे पे
6 स्टिचेस आए हैं। 6 स्टिचेस आए हैं जी,
6 स्टिचेस आए, ठीक है। और ये है कॉम्प्लेन, ये कॉम्प्लेन को किया अभी, ठीक है।
विकास सरदार इज बैक विद अस ऑन द ब्रॉडकास्ट। क्या आप अपनी बात को दोहराएंगे? किसने आप पर अटैक किया?
वो अटैक किया टीएमसी के गुंडे नूर इलाई गाजी और राजा गाजी, सेम नेम नूर इलाई गाजी, सेम नेम राजा गाजी। वो टीएमसी के गुंडों माफिया आज उनको जो बूथ 76 जो बूथ कटलबेड़िया हम खुद गया, वहां पे देखा 200 वो गुंडे लोग को खड़ा आके जो वोटर है वो वोटर को वोट देने के मना किया। हमने किया सेंट्रल फोर्स के पूछना, यहाँ गुंडागिरी कर रहा है 200 टॉप मेरा ऊपर अटैक किया, मर्डर किया, लोहा रॉड वो बाम्बू वो आर्म्स लेकर जो मार दिया, मेरा गाड़ी को टूटा, हमारा प्राणघाती हमला चला। मेरा जो सिक्योरिटी पर्सन है उनका जो लाइसेंस आर्म्स वो छीन लेकर मेरा पर गोली चलाने की कोशिश किया। मेरा सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हमको बचाया, वो खुद गिर गया।
किसी से आपने शिकायत की इस बात की?
हम आज तो वोट चल रहा है, आज वोट चल रहा है, हमारा अटैक किया, गाड़ी टूटा, हम भी जाएंगे खुद और टीएमसी गुंडा हमारा जो वोटर है, वोटर को जब मना करने के लिए दिया, हम बूथ में जाएंगे, वोट होने के बाद हम फिर वो जो लिखित जो ऑब्जेक्शन और जो कंप्लेन हम वोट होने के बाद हम कंप्लेन.
And viewers, reports have also emerged of a scuffle involving a TMC councillor, a BJP candidate and an independent candidate in the Beechpur Assembly constituency of North 24 Parganas district. According to reports, TMC councillor Kalyan Kar was allegedly seen roaming within 100 meters of a polling booth, which led to objections. BJP candidate Sudipta Basu reportedly raised his voice and confronted the councillor, leading to an altercation between the two. Soon after, the independent candidate from Beechpur constituency also reached the spot, following which a scuffle broke out among all three. During this incident, the TMC councillor was allegedly pushed and he fell. Meanwhile, two suspected individuals were also detained from the spot who were allegedly found roaming in the area. Now, tensions also escalated at polling booths in Pranganj in South 24 Parganas. A heated altercation broke out between ISF candidate Naushad Siddiqui and CRPF personnel at the site. According to reports, police had to resort to a lathi charge to bring the situation under control. Clashes were also reported between supporters of the ISF and TMC in the area. The situation was later brought under control, with security forces maintaining a strong presence at the booths. Now, Ratna Debnath, mother of RG Kaur victim, faced protest during polling in Panihati. She alleged that a group of people created chaos, surrounded her vehicle and raised "Go Back" slogans. She claimed protesters were linked to the TMC and demanded strict action. Meanwhile, the victim's father also alleged intimidation by a group of men on motorbikes, claiming police asked them to leave instead of intervening. Listen.
तृणमूल का जो दरिंदा गुंडा वो लोग खड़ा हुआ था, हम लोग जब वो से जा रहा था तो स्लोगन शुरू कर दिया. उसके बाद हम लोग उसको देख के हम लोग उतरे और उस टाइम में और भी उसको आदमी को लेके आया. हम पुलिस को कंप्लेन किया, पुलिस चार पांच सीआरपीएफ को भेज दिया. ऐसे चलते रहा. मीडिया भी उधर बहुत था, उसका वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग भी चला. वो लोग हमारे ऊपर अटैक करने का कोशिश किया और पुलिस ने हमको बोलता है आप चलाइए, हम दिखता है. वो उसको हटा नहीं रहा है, हमको उधर से भगा दिया.
लेकिन क्यों आप लोगों के साथ ऐसा क्यों किया गया?
वो लोग डर गया हमसे, इसलिए ऐसा कर रहा है. ये लोग ये जो राजनीति को तो बिजनेस बना दिया.
Now, viewers, despite extensive security arrangements on the ground, reports of isolated incidents continue to emerge from different parts of the state. Phase 2 voting is happening under a massive security cover, with over 2,300 companies of central forces deployed across the state. However, more than half of these forces have been concentrated in just 4 districts, indicating targeted deployment in identified sensitive areas. South 24 Parganas tops the list with nearly 18% of the overall deployment, followed by Kolkata. Then you've got East Burdwan and then Hooghly. The security arrangement also includes the use of drones, 100% webcasting at polling stations, and thousands of quick response teams or QRTs on the ground. And let's now tell you a little bit about the state's incidents of violence. Now, this is a snapshot of Bengal's history of violence, and this is as per data from 2021 elections. And in North 24 Parganas, in fact, in 2021, there were about 50 incidents of violence that were reported, and that led to the death of at least 5 people. In Kolkata, there were 33 incidents of violence that were reported. 2 people lost their lives, and in South 24 Parganas, 24 incidents of violence, in fact, were reported during the 2021 elections, and 3 people lost their lives. We have my colleagues joining us live right now, tracking the developments very closely. Ridhita as well as Rajesh live with us right now. Ridhita, you're coming to us live from Bhawanipur, which is seeing the mother of all contest, isn't it? And of course, there were incidents of sporadic violence as well earlier today. And can you bring us up to speed with how the voting has really been, the voting turnout in Bhawanipur specifically, and how is the situation right now on the ground?
Well, absolutely. I'm still here at the Bhawanipur constituency in the Chetla area, and here we have seen just few times ago, Mayor Firhad Hakim has also casted his vote. Today morning, Abhishek Banerjee along with his father had casted his vote in the Mitra Institute, and around 4 to 5 today, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is also set to cast her vote, and she is going to give the final vote, as she says, from the Trinamool Congress party after all the leaders are done. But in the Bhawanipur constituency, when it comes about to talk about violence, we have seen that even at the booth when peaceful voting were going on, but a slogan war had led out between the TMC and the BJP worker at the 73rd ward. As soon as Shubhendu Adhikari, after campaigning through all the booths, had reached the 73rd ward, he was ushered with a slogan of Joy Bangla, which is definitely the Trinamool Congress's slogan, and later to which Hindu voter banks that Shubhendu Adhikari claims the Hindu men who were along with him were chanted Joy Shri Ram. In a response, heavier attack on Shubhendu Adhikari happened with Joy Bangla, and it became so worrisome that police had to reach out to the ground and do a lathi charge to disperse the crowd. However, after the very incident, the Election Commission had asked for a report that why was such incident taken over in a block of the 73rd in the between of the roads, why such tensions erupted from Bhawanipur, after which soon disbursement of men had happened from the area as the QRT team had reached on spot. But the Election Commission has asked for a report on this. Along with that, we get to understand that Shubhendu Adhikari has also written to the Home Minister Amit Shah about this matter. At this point, we get to an understanding that the Chief Minister herself was also touring over all the booths in the Bhawanipur area since 8 a.m. today, and this is historic in Bengal's election history. And for the first time, we have seen Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee touring over all the constituency, given it to Chakrabedia, to the minority ward of 77. Remember,
Ridhita, I'm just interrupting you there. Request you to please stay on with us. In fact, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, viewers, has asserted that he's ready to deliver a Bhay Mukt Bengal, promising a state free from fear and syndicate influence. Making a strong pitch to voters, Home Minister Amit Shah called on people to come out in large numbers and vote in phase 2 of the elections. He emphasized that even a single vote can help restore Bengal's pride and ensure the safety of women in the state. Amit Shah also vowed strict action against infiltrators. And now, viewers, what we are seeing right now is war of words intensifying between Mamata Banerjee and Shubhendu Adhikari. Listen in to what both these leaders had to say earlier.
She is candidate. She is every right to visit every booth. I have no objection. But she is accompanied with 50-60 gunda and obstructing the people and threatening the Hindu voters. It's not good. Election Commission should take appropriate action. Today she is not the Chief Minister. She is the only a simple candidate. CRPF and CAPF is deployed in every area to maintain the law and order situation. It's engaged by the Election Commission of India. Is there anything? She will speak to Election Commission of India. Don't disturb the voter.
देखिए कैसे हमारा वर्कर को पिटा है रात में। ऑफिसर इंचार्ज विजयगंज पुलिस स्टेशन भांगोर। जब देखिए जो एट्रोसिटी, कैन यू सी, एक गुंडाराज चल रहा है, देश को बेच दिया। ऐसे वोट कभी होता है? ऐसे कभी वोट नहीं होता है। वोट शांति से होता है। लोकतंत्र डेमोक्रेसी का फेस्टिवल होता है, लेकिन ये तो लोकतंत्र को पूरा बालोटा बजा दिया, पूरा इसको एट्रोसिटीज कर दिया। इंटेंशन इज वेरी क्लियर दैट बीजेपी वांट्स दैट फोर्सफुली टू रिग द इलेक्शन, बट our workers and people are ready to die, but they will not leave the place.
And Ridhita, my colleague, continues to be with us at this point in time. Ridhita, I'll come to you again in just a bit. For now, we have to slip into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Stay with us.